Hey everyone, Maik Kleinert here. In today's video I want to show you the Insta360 EVO. Insta360 sent me the new camera. It's a foldable 360 and 3D camera. Right now you see it's open, the camera, and it's in 3D 180 degrees. And if you fold it together, then you have a 360 camera, which has the same feature than the Insta360 One X. You can see here, this is a hologram. And also the Insta360 EVO is headset VR ready. You have the same features than the Insta360 One X. You have the flow state stabilization integrated. You have HDR photos and HDR videos. You also can record the videos in 5.7K. And you have an image resolution from 18 megapixel, which is insane. So they built a holo frame for your phone where you put the frame on your phone and can view the 360 videos. It looks like it came out. You have two lenses, similar to the eye. That's why this is a 3D camera. And if you fold it together, you have a 360 camera. They're called a 3D 360 hybrid camera because you have both options. Also very easy to use. With the EVO you also have a new application on your smartphone to edit the photos and the videos. And on the desktop you can use the Insta360 Studio application. I'm ready to unpack now this little camera here. And it's really nice, well designed. If you have any question about the Insta360 EVO, please let me know in the comments down below. I want to test this next week out as much as possible. And there are coming new videos on my YouTube channel, Instagram. Please check it out. Subscribe my channel here and hit the bell notification to be up to date. See you in the next one and have a nice day.